Are you wondering what data type you should use? Don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you will be familiar with what objects of these types look like and how to represent them. Numerical data types. In Python, numeric data type represent the data which has numeric value. Numeric value can be integer or floating numbers, even complex numbers. These values are redefined as int, float and complex class in Python. We can use the type function to know which class a variable or a value belongs to, and the isInstance function to check if an object belongs to a particular class. You can convert from one type to another with the int, float, and complex methods. Integers. This value is represented by int class. It contains positive or negative whole numbers without fraction or decimal. In Python 3, integers can be of any length. It is only limited by the amount of memory your system has, as are all things, but beyond that an integer can be as long as you need it to be. Python interprets a sequence of decimal digits without any prefix to be a decimal number. But the following strings can be prepended to an integer value, to indicate a base other than 10. Floating point numbers. This value, represented by float class, designates a floating point number. It is a real number, with the floating point representation, and is specified with a decimal point. Optionally, the character e, followed by a positive or negative integer, may be appended, to specify the scientific notation. This representation is accurate up to 15 decimal places. Complex numbers. Complex numbers, represented by complex class, is written in the form, real part plus, imaginary part j. It is stored internally, using either rectangular or Cartesian coordinates. It can be very useful if you are studying or working with mathematical functions, or in engineering. For example, 2 plus 3j. Boolean. Python 3 provides a Boolean data type. Objects of Boolean type may have one of two values, true or false. In programming you often need to know if an expression is true or false. You can evaluate any expression in Python, and get one of these two answers. For instance, when you compare two values, the expression is evaluated, then Python returns the Boolean answer. The same behavior occurs when you run a condition in an if statement. Python also has many built-in functions that returns a Boolean value, like the isInstance function, which can be used to determine if an object is of a certain data type. You will learn more about evaluation of objects in the Boolean context, when you encounter logical operators, in the upcoming tutorial on operators, and expressions in Python. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.